is where you can have your uplines putting people below you. And that's why it's termed a power leg. And you're going to start, the whole strategy here is that you start building one power leg first before you work on your other leg. So you want your power leg to be larger, twice as large as the other leg. And so what you need to do in order to do that, where the strategy lies, is you put your first 3 people that you sign up, first, I always like to say even first 3 to 5, under your power leg. So if your right leg is your power leg, you set your placement in your back office, which is this section here. You have to set this. You have to go and click on your drop down. Click on your drop down and set it to your power leg and hit update. That's really important. If you don't click update, it won't work. You click update, then you're good to go. And everyone that you sign up from there is going to go in this. For this person, it's their left leg. And you want to do your first 3 to 5 people, because what that does, you start driving down your power leg, and you have to train those people. Your first 3 people also have to put their first 3 people down the power leg. And that means that you're going to start multiplying in groups of 3. You're going to go 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. It's going to start driving down and creating a whole bank of points. We call it a bank leg too, because it's like you're setting up a bank, which later you're going to make withdrawals. You're going to set up your inside leg or your other leg later. After you've started your first 3 to 5, you move over to your personal leg, or which is also going to be a power leg too after. It's just simply building your power leg first, and then you put your next 3 people onto your personal leg. And what happens then is you've already created a huge bank of points for you when you put a person on your personal leg. Every 25 points you cycle, because remember, you need 50 points on one side and 25 on the other. And by creating the bank leg, it's always going to take the 50 points out of there, which is smart. And you only need 25 points to cycle at that point. So just the whole essence of the power leg strategy is get your power leg going first before you start building. And that's actually crucial to the success of your whole team. If you don't promote the power leg strategy, your whole team will actually suffer, because you're creating momentum for not only you, but your whole team. And it's something that I can't say enough about how important that is. And there's a training video on that. I can send the link out to you guys. There's a short 3.5 minute video that we'll send out to you guys if you want, on the power leg strategy. That will make it very clear to you. I think that's it for me. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to shift gears. We've kind of taken some questions that have been coming up really frequently about the